Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by visually inspecting the latch for bent parts, loose screws, or debris. Use a flashlight and a 3.5 mm driver to check screw heads and mounting plates. Check alignment by closing the door slowly and watching the latch engage with the strike. Measure gap and offset with a 1/4-inch feeler to detect misalignment. Wiggle the latch by hand to feel binding or play in the mechanism. Note missing springs, corroded surfaces, or stripped threads for repair planning. Remove the latch assembly using a 3.5 mm driver and store screws safely. Clean all metal parts with a brush and a mild solvent to remove corrosion. Replace worn springs or bushings with M4 replacements when parts show excessive wear. Lubricate moving surfaces lightly with silicone or graphite. Avoid heavy oil that attracts debris. Adjust strike plate position with a 1/4-inch shim to ensure smooth engagement and correct throw. Reinstall assembly and hand test the mechanism through several full cycles. Test the latch through 20 full cycles to confirm consistent engagement and release. Listen for grinding, sticking, or uneven contact that indicates unresolved issues. Replace damaged latch bodies entirely when components cost more than $5 to repair or when metal is fractured. Secure all screws to manufacturer torque guidelines and use thread locker if vibration is present. Prevent future failures by lubricating twice yearly and checking alignment every 6 months. Document repairs and parts used for easier future troubleshooting and warranty claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.